JetBlue is an airline known for reasonable prices, especially if you are willing to sit in the back of the airplane. But what is the back of a JetBlue airplane really like? On October 7th, 2025, the Broward County Sheriff's Office was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that passenger.
Quick synopsis, what's going on?
Yeah, very quickly. About 2 hours ago, we had one of our customers who became quite belligerent and physical with us. She would not calm down. We detected she's been drinking heavily before she got on the plane, and we didn't detect until about 2 hours ago. We're suspecting there's other medication that she's been using, and so she became very physical. We did have to restrain her. We did use the flex cuffs.
Did anyone get hit or anything?
No, she pushed me a few times and grabbed us and grabbed our legs a few times. But we did put flex cuffs on her. She is present.
All in the back?
All in the back.
Okay. I'm going to need to talk to you later on.
Okay.
Let's just go back there and we'll let everybody disembark. Okay. Have her stay on the plane until everybody gets
Oh, you want everyone off first?
Everybody wants off first? Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's bullshit America. What she have? What she have? Nothing. What you have?
Everybody go. Let them go.
What you have?
How you, ma'am?
Nah, good.
Yeah.
Can you
speak English?
No, yes, I speak
Okay,
English.
my
Can
name
you
is Deputy Hall.
Because I don't have, I'm not too,
Okay.
please,
What's
open.
your name?
I open. It's very short. Oh my God. Open. I know. No, I cannot feel my arm. Please, open my fucking arm. I cannot fucking feel my arm. Please, open fucking my arm. I.
Actually quite normal.
Yes, open. I ask you open. I am fucking ask you open. I am fucking studio. I am American. I am fucking studio.
I don't know any.
I am studio. Yes, you can check. I'm American. I'm fucking studio. Open the arm. I fucking not feel. No, I am not feel my arm. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm not feel my arm. I'm not feel my arm.
All right, people, y'all can get up and get your stuff and get off the plane.
Yes, I killed someone. I killed someone. I killed someone. I killed someone. I fucking shoot. Hey, you relax. Fucking American woman. Fucking open. I fucking cannot feel. Can you? Excuse me. I don't feel my arm.
Trading the code. We moved her back there. We had to handcuff her.
The whole time.
5 hours.
Oh my God. Oh. Can you open fucking my arm?
She doesn't smell like alcohol.
Can you open my arm?
See you, Patrick? Yeah. Let's start over.
Okay. Well,
From what you
first
ascertained.
she came on. We gave her 2 drinks. She was fine. She was talking to us. She seemed normal. She went up to her bag. Got some stuff out of her bag. Came back here. She was talking. I went out front there. She was talking to Susan. And I don't know if she went into the bathroom or not. I can't confirm that. But
Something
it
set
got.
her off.
Then she started to get loud. So we put her.
No, I'm fucking do everything for America.
Yeah, she goes up and down. Let's go, people. Get your stuff and go.
My spy. Take my phone. I'm Russian spy. Kill me, black.
What can we use for?
I don't have a... We have people here.
I was water to run and you be the rat. What? What the fuck? Take it off. Take it off. Take
down,
it off.
Anastasia.
Take it
We're
off.
gonna take her right to the hospital, okay?
I'm American. I'm American.
I
Take
know
it
you.
off. I'm American. Take it off. Take it off.
Tried to
I'm
spit
American.
Anastasia.
I'm American. Everything in my
No
phone.
kicking,
Everything
okay?
in my phone.
The next thing is tasing if you kick,
Everything in my phone.
okay? I don't want to hurt you, so just stay
I'm
calm.
American.
The
I'm
only reason we
American.
put this on because
You
you were
cannot.
spitting, okay?
Take
Now
it
it's gonna-
off.
no,
Take it
We're
off.
gonna take it off in the
I
hospital,
cannot
okay?
breathe. I cannot
You're
breathe.
not thinking
I
clearly right
cannot
now.
breathe.
Just calm
I
down.
cannot breathe. Take it off. Take it off. I cannot breathe.
Until we get to the hospital, okay?
Take it off. Okay,
Everything
take
is
it
fine.
off.
No one's trying to hurt you.
Okay, take
We're
it
gonna
off.
take it to the
Take it
hospital.
off.
You get
I
some
was
help.
in hospital. Boy, I was fucking studying hospital. Take it
Leave it
off.
on for now.
Take it off. I was studying hospital here too. Take it off, I say. Take it off, I say. I fucking America. Take it off, блядь. Педрила, блядь. Take it off, I say. I was studying here fucking too in medical school. Fucking take it off. Take it off. I said take it off.
Relax,
Take it off.
Everything
I
is
won't
fine.
breathe. I won't breathe.
We're gonna take you to the hospital. You're gonna get some help, okay?
Yes. Take it off. I won't breathe.
calmer
I
you
won't
stay,
breathe. I won't
the
breathe.
safer
I
all of
won't
us
breathe.
are,
Take
okay?
it off.
You tried to
I
spit, I'm
will have
sorry.
now issue.
You tried to spit.
I know. I go to my nephew.
It's
I
only a
want
spit
to have
mask. It's
my
gonna
nephew.
hurt you, alright? You're
Never
not
do
thinking
the
clearly
contact.
right now. Everything is fine.
Take
You're
it
gonna go
off.
see some nice
Take
doctors.
it off. Take it
And they're
off.
gonna dis-
Take it off, please.
Blood.
Take
Whatever
it
is in
off,
your
please.
system.
Take it off, please. No,
It's okay.
no, no, no,
You're
no,
having a bad day.
no. You need to open this. Never. I'm never cheat America. Even now, I go to fucking Russia. Never. I fucking say.
She's not thinking clearly.
No, my message. I'm proud to be American. You can read my own message. I am American. No,
Let's go, we're leaving.
yeah, you can give me
We're leaving,
that.
Anastasia. We're not gonna hurt you. You can hit it for me. You gonna walk, Anastasia? Thank you. Alright. We're gonna walk out, okay?
Where is my stuff?
We're gonna, your purse and stuff is right here. You see the purse? We're gonna grab your bag. Come on, turn back around. Turn back around.
Can you give
We're gonna get everything.
No, can you give me a little bit space?
We're gonna give you everything.
I cannot feel my arm. Please, please. I not feel my arm. I cannot.
Okay, come on, let's walk.
Oh my God, my love, America, you can see my arm.
Guys, close the cockpit.
I'm here. I'm proud to be here.
I want you to close
I
the
love
cockpit
you.
door.
Can see it.
Almost there.
I'm not kill me. But then my neck is a lot.
Relax,
Oh,
relax.
no.
Take a step. Watch your step. There you go.
Oh, I love you so much. You go there. Make it so proud.
Bag's right there, Anastasia. Bag's right there. There you go. All right.
Why? What do you fear? What you can say? What you can say?
Thank you
What
guys
you
for
can
everything.
say? Baby, what you can say? What you can say?
I can clean all my stuff out. I'm like, this is probably gonna be a bad one. Did I make it without her falling? Nah, I don't know. Come on, Anastasia. Come on, Anastasia.
You won't kill me. Not mommy. Ow! Oh!
Seat's clear. I just cleared it out before I came in.
Can you open the door, please? Ow!
Pat her down.
Oh!
Yeah, she has one.
Ow!
Come on.
Ow! I'm alone.
She's not on the rim. Let me get the. It's gonna be a baker act anyway. They're gonna strip her.
Let me get this in. Yeah, but just in case.
Yes.
Can you open my face, please? I can. No, I won't.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.